Isithunywa from my experience, isithunywa siyohlale mase siphakama, it will remove you from everybody who was a friend because sikudinga uwedwa. It needs no outside influence because it needs you to fast from sex, from the world. It needs you to fast psychologically from things you used to watch which were bad influence on you, from certain types of music, from ukudla thizeni. So impawu enkulu is isithunywa will separate you. It will make friends go away or you will lose friends. Or uzovese uzizwe engathi angisafuni ukuba nabantu. When you go and you put yourself around those people, you'll be able to pick up energy. Yebo gogo. You'll be able to pick up energy in the room before kukhulunywa. Wena makhulunywa uzobe uwazi already mongena ukuthi bekhulunywa ngami. Noma if low vibration topics are being discussed, uvese ubhoreke ngoba isithunywa sakho